Plain, powerful, exposing the superpowers in cauliflower, exposing the science behind one humble veggie, exposing how simple swaps boost your brain and boost your immunity. Quick fact, 1 cup of cauliflower packs vitamin C and choline. Vitamin C fuels your immune system. Choline helps your brain function and memory. Add fiber, folate, potassium, anti-inflammatory compounds, and you've got a low-calorie, nutrient-packed base for rice or mash. Turn it into cauliflower rice or creamy mash for a clean, filling swap that supports digestion, heart health, and focus. Save this for your next clean meal idea.